Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my video. Last year, Enlaps introduced the Tikee Mini, a great camera for indoor shoots and budget-friendly projects. This year, they've upgraded and made it even better. Meet the Tikee Mini Plus. Hey, I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mattia. I'm a professional time-lapse and hyperlapse photographer based in Madrid. And for transparency, I want to mention that I am an Enlaps ambassador and they sent me this camera to review. However, this video is not sponsored and Enlaps hasn't seen it before publication. So this is my honest opinion, and if something's wrong or I don't like it, I will let you know. And if you're interested in buying the camera, you can use my discount code, and it helps me keep creating video here on YouTube, so thank you if you decide to use it. So with that out of the way, this is the new Tikee Mini Plus, the successor to the original Tikee Mini. Enlaps has made several improvements that make it even better. They listened to user feedback and added a ton of features that the Mini didn't have, like the live preview, the D-warp, rotation settings, low light mode, white balance lock, and a new adaptive interval. So let me show you each new feature. So the first one is live preview. If you see my previous reviews, you know how often complain that the frame in a shot was too slow. The camera had to send the image to the server and then back to the phone, which sometimes took several minutes. And now with live preview, the problem is gone. So how does it work? Well, basically the camera creates a Wi-Fi hotspot. So in the app, tap live preview and a pop-up appears showing the hotspot name and password. Then go to your Wi-Fi settings and find the Tikee Mini network and connect it. You only need the password the first time, and after that it connects automatically. And now the camera is directly connected to the app and you can see your frame live. Thank you, Enlaps. Next is the D-warp. You can now enable D-warp to remove distortion directly in camera. This is something that I wanted since I started using the Mini. And yes, you can D-warp in post, but having it done in camera is much better. And it does an incredible job straightening those lines. There are three options, which is 120, 110 and 90 degrees, each cropping a bit more into the image. Then there is the white balance lock, and I recently finished a job using two Tikee Minis, and one had a different white balance because the lighting was different. And with this new option, I could have locked the white balance for consistency. So useful. And another cool one is low light mode, perfect for night shot on construction site. The difference between having this feature on and on is huge. Brighter image and far less noise. Great job, Enlaps. Now you can see a difference between low light mode on and low light mode off. You can also see the difference between the new Tikee Mini Plus and the old Tikee Mini. Another update is the rotation settings. You can now rotate the image. So it's great if you're mounting the camera upside down or shooting in portrait for TikTok or Instagram Reels. And with just one tap, you've done. Nice. And lastly, there is a new adaptive interval. So when the battery drops below 20%, the camera now smoothly adjusts the shooting interval to save battery. Previously the change was really fast, so now it's much more elegant. So Enlaps has turned this little camera into an amazing tool for long-term time-lapse. Everything I wish the original Tikee Mini had, now it does. And the best part, the price is still the same. So the camera costs $799 excluding taxes, and if you want the Tikee Mini Plus pack, it's €1,298. So once you connect it to the MyTikee platform, you can create high quality time lapses with one click using the Timelapse builder. Monitor your site with the AI powered reporting and filter thousands of images using AI filters, and all with just one click. So what's wrong with it? Well, in my opinion, nothing, basically nothing. This is an amazing upgrade from the Tikee Mini. It has everything I needed in a long-term time-lapse camera, and the barrier to entry for construction time-lapse is dropping every year. And it's so easy to use, Whether you are a film production company offering long-term time-lapse or a construction firm wanting to monitor your site remotely, this is a great camera to add to your arsenal. And I'll definitely be using it on my next long-term construction job. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, if you are thinking of buying the Tikee Mini Plus, consider using my discount code. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao ciao!